You know, I had to go and get the toothpaste because I've got a fogged headlight to clean. And believe it or not, regular old-fashioned white non-gel toothpaste will do a great job. Now this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna take some and we're just gonna squirt it onto that headlight. Then we're gonna take a scrubby, just a gentle one, nothing that's gonna scratch really bad. We're gonna start and we're gonna work that toothpaste in. Now, it doesn't happen instantly. It takes some extra work. You need to keep scrubbing it in, and then you need to add a little more toothpaste, because the same way toothpaste polishes and cleans your teeth, it's doing the exact same thing to your headlight. It's not going to scratch, but it is going to clean. Now, I haven't worked on this very long, but I want to wipe it off just to show you how it's coming along. I think you can see that it's already working. Toothpaste, it's not just for teeth. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.